Hello friends, let's balance one more net ionic equation, that is the redox equation. This equation is for the reaction between permanganate ion and bromide ion to form manganese dioxide and bromate ion. This reaction takes place in basic medium. Let's balance this equation by off reaction method or ion electron method. First, we can assign the oxidation number for manganese and bromine. These oxidation number only which variable. So let's find the oxidation number for manganese and permanganate ion. Manganese we can assume X. Here 4 oxygen atoms, so 4 times minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. This is a polyatomic ion. So on simplification, what will be that? X is equal to 8 minus 1, that is equal to plus 7. So the oxidation number of manganese in permanganate ion is plus 7. Here in bromide ion, the oxidation number of bromine is minus 1 because its charge is Br minus 1. In manganese dioxide, that is the manganese, we can consider X plus 2 times minus 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore, X is equal to plus 4. X is plus 4, that is in oxidation number of manganese in manganese dioxide, it is plus 4. Then the oxidation number of bromine in bromate ion, what will be that? X plus 3 times minus 2 is equal to minus 1. This also polyatomic ion, its charge is minus 1. So on simplification, what will be that? 3 times 2 minus 2 minus 6, that is when we bring to right hand side 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1, therefore it will be, what will be that? Plus 5. Plus 5. Now we have got the oxidation numbers of manganese and bromine on both the reactant side as well as the product side. We have got the oxidation numbers. So oxidation numbers, we have found that is the oxidation number changes from plus 7 to one change. What we can find? Plus 7 becomes plus 4. This is one change. The another change is the oxidation number of bromine changes from minus 1 to plus 5. So in the case of the change of manganese from plus 7, it becomes plus 4. There is a decrease in oxidation number. Therefore, permanganate ion to manganese dioxide, this is reduction of reaction. This is reduction of reaction. So this will be oxidation of reaction. Now each of reactions we need to balance first. The reduction of reaction, when we check that the right hand side 2 oxygen atoms, but the left hand side 4 oxygen atoms are there. Manganese both the sides same number of atoms, so oxygen only differs. Oxygen we need to change. The right hand side, in order to balance the oxygen atom here, we need to add 2 water molecule on the right hand side. 2 molecules of water we are adding on the right hand side. 2H2O I am adding on the right hand side. As we have added 2 molecules of water, now on the right hand side, how many hydrogen atoms are there? 2 times 2, 4 hydrogen atoms. But the left hand side, there's no hydrogen atom. In order to balance these 4 hydrogen atoms, we need to add 4 hydrogen ions on the left hand side. That I am adding now. 4 hydrogen ions are added on the left hand side. Now we can check the charges. When we check the charges, the right hand side, that is manganese dioxide as well as water, both are neutral compound, therefore there's no charge. There's no charge, 0. The charge is 0. But the right hand side, permanganate, it has 1 negative charge, and hydrogen ion, it has 4 positive charge, plus 4. So plus 4 minus 1. But the right hand side, the charge is 0. So left hand side also we need to get the charge 0 only. So in order to get 0, what is needed? Minus 3 we need to add to the left hand side. Then only this minus 3 plus minus 1 minus 4 plus 4 will be cancelled, will become 0. Both the sides the charges will be equal. So as minus 3, we need to add here 3 electrons on the left hand side. That I am adding now. 3 electrons are added on the left hand side. 3 electrons. Now the reduction half reaction is balanced. Now we need to balance the oxidation half reaction. In the oxidation half reaction, both the side number of bromine atoms are equal. But the oxygen on the right hand side, 3 oxygen atoms are there, but the left hand side, there's no oxygen atoms. Therefore, what we need to do, we need to add 3 molecules of water on the left hand side. 3 molecules of water I am adding on the left hand side. 3 molecules of water I am adding on the left hand side. 3 molecules of water. After adding 3 molecules of water, the left hand side, how many hydrogen atoms are there? 3 times 2, 6 hydrogen atoms. But the right hand side, there's no hydrogen atoms at all. So in order to balance the hydrogen atoms, we need to add 6 hydrogen ions on the right hand side. That I am adding now. 6 hydrogen ions are added on the right hand side. Now we can check the charges. The left hand side, water, it's a neutral compound. Bromide ion 1 negative charge, and bromate also 1 negative charge. Here 6 positive charge. That is left hand side, the charge minus 1, but the right hand side here minus 1, then plus 6 in hydrogen ion plus 6. Therefore, what is needed on the right hand side? Minus 6 is required. If minus 6 is added, then this minus 6 and plus 6 will be cancelled. Then both the side, the charges will be minus 1, that is equal. The charges will become equal. So we need minus 6 on the right hand side. That is 6 electrons we are adding on the right hand side. 6 electrons we are adding on the right hand side. 6 electrons. Now the oxidation half reaction also is balanced. So both the half reactions are balanced. But here the number of electrons lost is 6 electrons. But here the number of electrons gained is 3 electrons. As per the rule, the number of electrons must be equal on both the equations. So what we can do, the first equation, that is the reduction half reaction, we need to multiply by 2 times. As a whole, this equation, the reduction half reaction, we need to multiply by 2 as a whole. So as a result, what does it become? This will become 6 electrons, this 8 hydrogen ion, 2 permanganate ion, 2 manganese dioxide, and 4 water. So after multiplying both the off reactions, we need to add together. That we can do it at the next page. Here already I have multiplied with the 2. The oxidation, the reduction half reaction is multiplied by 2. That is written here. This is oxidation half reaction, that already what we have got, that is written. That is 3 molecules of water, then 6 molecules of hydrogen ion, 6 molecules of bromate ion, 6 electrons. This we have written here. This we have written. Yes. Now both the half reactions we need to add together. So both the half reactions are added together. While adding, the same substance on the opposite side will be cancelled. So which substances can be cancelled? Here the 6 electrons left hand side, here 6 electrons are on the right hand side, so they are cancelled. The cancellation is done by subtraction. So other substance, what is that? Here 6 hydrogen ions are present on the right hand side, but here 8 hydrogen ions are present on the left hand side. So we need to subtract. So on subtracting, 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6, it will be 2. 8 minus 6, it will be 2. 8 minus 6, it will be 8 minus 6, it will be 2. 8 minus 6, it is 2. That is, so this 6 hydrogen ions will be completely cancelled. This 6 hydrogen ions will be completely cancelled. This 8 will become, what is that? 8 minus 6 becomes 2. So remaining any other substance present on the opposite side, same substance on the opposite side, same substance, any other same substance? Yes. Here water molecule, 4 molecules of water on the right hand side, here 3 molecules of water on the left hand side. Here 4 molecules of water on the right hand side, here 3 molecules of water on the left hand side. So this also we can subtract. So these 3 molecules of water will be completely cancelled, and this 4 molecules will become 1 molecule of water. Now the remaining species left out on the reactant side, we need to add together. Similarly, the remaining products left out, we need to add together. So both the equations, we are adding the left out species. We are adding together here the reactants. Similarly, the left out species on the products, we are adding together, and we need to write it here. So the first equation on the reactant side, what is left out? 2 molecules of permanganate ion. So that we need to write 2 molecules of permanganate ion, 2 MnO4 minus. Then what else is left out? Here 2 hydrogen ions are present on the first equation. 2 hydrogen ions, that we need to add here. 2 hydrogen ions. 2 hydrogen ions are added. Then what else is present on the left hand side? What else is present on the left hand side? Here one bromide ion, and that is written. That's all. So the left hand side, the reactants we have added together. Now the product side we need to add together. Here the first equation at the products, what is left out? 2 MnO2. 2 molecules of MnO2, that we need to write it here. That is 2 molecules of manganese dioxide. Then what else is left out? 1 molecule of bromate ion. 1 bromate ion, that is written. In addition, what others is present? Here 1 molecule of water also we need to add. On the right hand side, it is left out. So 1 molecule of water is added on the right hand side. Now we have added both the half reactions. So on adding both the half reactions, we have got the resultant equation. This is a resultant equation. In this resultant equation, what is present? 2 hydrogen ions are present. 2 hydrogen ions. This reaction, in the beginning at the question, it was mentioned that this reaction takes place in basic medium. If the reaction takes place in basic medium, after the addition of the half reactions, if we have the hydrogen ions on the resultant equation, what we need to do, we need to add hydroxide ions on both the sides of the equation. That is, the right hand side we need to add OH minus ions, and the left hand side also we need to add OH minus ions, because the reaction takes place in basic medium and the resultant equation has 2 hydrogen ions. So that we can do it at the next page. So the previous resultant equation we have written as it is. The resultant equation, this resultant equation, that is obtained by the addition of 2 half reactions, we have written here. Now we need to add here, because of the presence of the hydrogen ions, we need to add hydroxide ions on both the sides of the equation. How many hydroxide ions we need to add? Here hydrogen ions, 2 hydrogen ions, therefore we need to add 2 hydroxide ions. That I am adding now. 2 hydroxide ions on the right hand side, 2 OH minus, and the left hand side also we need to add 2 OH minus. I am adding here 2 OH minus, 2 OH minus. Now when we check this 2 H plus and OH minus, H plus and OH minus will combine together to form 2 molecules of water. This 2 H plus and 2 OH minus, when it combines, we will get 2 molecules of water. So these 2 ions are combining together. As a result, now we have got, what is that? 2 molecules of water on the left hand side. But when we check the right hand side, here 1 molecule of water is present on the right hand side. 1 molecule of water is on the right hand side. Here 2 molecules of water on the left hand side. So this can be subtracted, cancelled by subtracting. So as a result, this water molecule will be completely cancelled, and here these 2 molecules of water will become 1 molecule of water. So that we need to rewrite again. That is, what are the things left out on the reactant side, we need to write it here. So what is left out? on the reactant side 2 MnO4 minus, that is written already, 2 MnO4 minus. Then this 2H plus 2OH minus becomes 2 molecules of water, and we have cancelled. Now we have got 1 molecule of water that we need to add on the left hand side, that is 1 molecule of water. 1 molecule of water is added on the left hand side. Then this Br minus bromide ion is there, that is already written here. So left hand side we have completed. The right hand side, what are the things left out? 2 MnO2, that is written. 1 BrO3 minus, that also is written. This water molecule is cancelled. Remaining what is left out? 2 OH minus, that we need to add here. 2 OH minus. 2 OH minus we have added. Now this is the balanced equation. The balanced equation is 2 moles of permanganate ion, 1 mole of bromide ion, 1 mole of water react together. As a result, 2 moles of manganese dioxide, 1 mole of bromate ion, and 2 moles of hydroxide ions are obtained. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing.